Creating a cottage garden in your backyard can be a charming and efficient project. Here are some ideas to get started. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Choose a variety of flowers with different colors, shapes and sizes to create a relaxed informal look. Create a winding pathways through a garden using a gravel, stepping stones of natural materials like wood chips. This adds to the rustic charm and allows you to explore the garden. Craft a mix of foliage plants such as ferns, hostas, or giant grasses to provide texture and interest throughout the year. So if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. This video share to your friends and family members. Add a vertical interested with trellis or boras, pergolas covered in climbing plants like cleavants, honeysuckle, climbing rose. Include a section for herbs like thyme, sage and rosemary. Not only are they useful for cooking, but they also are fragrance and attract pollinators. Plants a few fruit trees like apple, pear or cherry to provide shade and produce bounty of fresh fruit. Craft elements that attract birds, butterflies and bees such as bird feeders, butterfly bushes and bee-friendly flowers like lavender and echinacea. Like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Decor your garden with a vintage or antique items like wrought iron furniture, old watering cans or vintage signs to enhance the garden aesthetics. Choose plants that bloom at different times of the year and ensure your garden has a color and interest through the seasons. Use natural materials like stone or wood to create borders and define different areas of the garden, giving it a rustic feel. Remember to consider your climate, soil type and available sunlight when selecting plants for your cottage garden, and don't to be afraid to let it evolve over time as the plants to grow spread. So if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. This video share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.